What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tony Foreign here, and today I'm going to be doing a video about unboxing the Canon EOS RP. I bought this camera specifically just to vlog, pretty much nothing else. So I wanted to get a camera, with a full frame. I also thought about going with the R, but I didn't really want to spend that extra coin because all I was going to do was vlog anyway. It would have been an extra $800. So check this out, the Canon EOS RP. Here's the box here, and hey, let's open it up, see what's inside. So this bundle comes with a couple things. Here's the mic. It came with this cool looking mic. Okay, check that out. Made by Kamaka. Never heard the brand, but the mic looks pretty cool. Plus it was free. Can't beat that. It's a V3O Pro shotgun VO microphone. Comes with that. So just the side. Let's see, it also came with this bag here, carrying case for the camera. Okay, let's check that out there. I don't think it's Canon, so it's not Canon, so put this right there. All right, and it came with a couple of things. This nice little light here. This is the light it came with. Vivitar SLR photo video. Nice looking light here. All right, put that right there. Also, what is this? It comes with a autofocus adapter. A real important item right here. Autofocus adapter, guys. Yeah, gotta have that. All right, so common light. I think autofocus adapter. Right. Let's see what we got here. What else? Okay. So also it comes with this nice little handheld. It's not bad. You can hold it while you vlogging. Okay, it comes with that. Let's see this back here. Oh, this must be some type of cleaning kit, okay? Nice little cleaning kit. And a SanDisk UHS iCard, guys. Yeah, cool. All right, put that right there. Also a monopod. All right, check that out. And just to let you all know, like, this bundle costs about $1,099, and of course you just get the EOS RP with just the body, and also the added accessories that I'm showing you right now. Okay, nice monopod there. Put that down there. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, what we got here? Looks like we got the a charger. Nice. Charger also. You got the car. You can plug it up to a cigarette lighter. car there, you know, the charger there, I mean. Plug it up to the cigarette lighter, digital battery charger. Alright, comes with that. And now, most important, the Canon EOS RP. Yeah! But open this box. Alright guys, now it is time to open the EOS RP up. Alright, let's see what we got here. Up here. I'll learn to use your new camera with the full potential with the Canon Coach app. Information right here. Of course, Canon, the official, you know how much it costs and everything, details of all that. Okay, and you get the book. It's pretty thick. The book to learn how to work this camera, okay, the instruction manual. Okay, also it comes with the battery. Remember guys, I got an extra battery with the bundle. Okay, so this is the battery that came with the camera. Oh, you get the charger right here. The charger. All right, cool. Smooth this out the way here. Nice Canon strap here. Come with the strap. All right, check that out. Come with the strap right there. Okay. And of course, the body, okay? Oh, here's the body, guys. It's open. All right. First time looking at it in real life. Nice, man. Nice camera. Looks like it's gonna feel real nice, you know? Okay. This camera, okay. Let's check it out, then. Canon EOS RP. And, let's see, okay. Obviously, it has the cool, you know, screen right there. Okay. So obviously, guys, I'm gonna have to charge the battery up. So let me get this battery charged, and then we're gonna see what it looks like. All right, be back in a minute. So guys, I'm about to put this battery in and see what it looks like when this thing is turned on, okay? Put the battery in, see what it looks like when it's turned on. Goes in pretty easy like that. Alright, pretty much take this off. And now I gotta put the EF adapter on here. Alright, so this looked pretty decent here. A little foam, I just took it out the box. And just pull it out here. This is the EF adapter that came with the bundle here. Okay, let's see. Let's put it on this camera and see what it looks like. Gotta take this top off first though, right? Like that. Right. All right, there you go. All right, guys. So that's what the adapter looked like on the EOS RP. So I got this lens. Probably not the best lens that Canon makes. I had it for a minute, but it's the only lens I got. So I gotta try this one. This one, let me show it to you. Let me see. This one is a 75 300 milliliter, you know. So I'm gonna put this on here and see what it looks like, okay? So let me put this down here. We gotta take this off here. I just wanna see. Now if this looks good, then hey, I got high hopes for this camera because this lens might not be all that. Just keep it real with you. Oh shit. There you go. Okay, it's on, guys. So we got it on here. And let's see. Let's turn this thing on. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so yeah. That is the screen here. You know. Pretty cool so far. Well, I don't know. There is no type of so what I am about to do, I'm about to shoot. I'm about to turn this camera on, get it ready, and I'm gonna let you guys see what it looks like. Okay? Cool. So guys, I had ran into a little problem when I was trying to put the lens and everything on the EOS RP. My bundle came with this off-brand EF adapter. Let me give you the name of it. It's called Camelite. Yeah, Camelite, guys. Yeah. No. So it only worked half-ass for about 15 minutes. And it did not work at all. But I did not know that. I had thought the camera was broke. So before I was gonna return it back, because I was gonna return it, I went up to a local camera shop, and right away when they seen this thing, this off-brand EF mount, Camelite, they automatically knew what the problem was. So here's some advice. When you do get the mirrorless cameras, it's better to go with the Canon EF mount. Do not get off-brand because it may or may not work. This most definitely didn't. And yeah, I was freaking out. I'm like, really? I just got this thing and it's not working. So there's the advice. Like I said, that came with the bundle that I got off Amazon. Also, the battery, not the battery that came in the camera, the battery that came with the bundle. One of these right here, just in case. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's turn it around here like this and that. I don't know. Like this and that. Like this and that. Okay, it is right. Well, anyway, this came with it. Not inside the camera, but the bundle. Now, it works good in the camera. It just do not charge with the Canon charger right here. It does not charge. You cannot charge this battery with this charger that came with the Canon EOS RP. So that's also something you need to know. Also with that bundle, and I'm gonna post a picture of what it looked like. They were supposed to give me some camera or editing software. I probably wasn't gonna use it, but I never got it. And yeah, so I'm not too fond of the bundle right now. But yeah, I did get my camera working. Yep, I did get it. I like it so far. I did shoot a little bit of it. You know, I got this crappy lens. I did shoot a little bit of it today. And like I said, I did get the Canon EF mount, guys. The Canon one, because, yeah, I don't think those off-brands work too well. So I did shoot a little bit. I'm gonna post a little bit of that on the video so you can check it out. And yeah, like I said, I like it. It's a good camera so far. This lens I got kind of sucks, so probably gonna have to give me a wide lens because I want to do a lot of vlogging. That was the whole reason of me getting it. I wanted to do a lot of vlogging with this, and with this lens, yeah, you gotta be far back to get anything. So I gotta get in some lenses. If I do, when I do, of course you'll see it. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave you guys with some stuff I had shot. And thanks for watching. Tony Foreign here. Please like and subscribe. And by the way, don't be overtaken by my sharpness here, just letting y'all know I still do the doggone thing, Thanks for watching, y'all. See ya. Okay, guys, here is the bundle I promised I was gonna show you that I bought off Amazon. It was on there for like $1,099. So the charger that came with the bundle, not inside the RP box, but the one that came with the bundle does work with that off-brand battery. So you're still good with that. So right about now, though, I am about to start showing you some footage I took with it and some pictures. I'm gonna leave the video off with that. Out here around like guys, and just getting everything, trying the camera, the EOS RP, trying it out for the first time. Like I said, it's real windy. I got the dead cat on the mic, so I'm kind of interested to see how that sounds. But yeah. All right, cool.